welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. Previous video I have shown you how to produce a message by using Kafka topics commands and consuming the messages by using Kafka topics command using CMD. So in this video I will show you and explain you how to delete our topics by using Kafka topics commands using CMD. So let's go to up the zookeepers and Kafka topics and creating the topics. So I'm opening the CMD command by using window R, typing CMD, go back two steps and by using CD commands, going to Kafka folders, here going to run zookeepers first. So before going to up zookeepers, we need to delete the earlier logs. So going C drive. In C drive, you will see temp folder. In the temp folder, there is two folders available: Kafka logs and Zookeeper. Deleting these logs. Now going to CMD commands here, going to up Zookeepers first. So Zookeeper server start.bat file. We need to run it, hiding Zookeeper property. Now enter it. Once Zookeeper is up, then we need to up Kafka as well by using the Kafka server start.bat files. Let's wait until Zookeeper is not up. Once now Zookeeper is up. Let's open another CMD command. Going to Kafka folder, CD Kafka. Now let's run the Kafka. So going to Windows, Kafka server dot config dot server property. Now enter it. Once Kafka server is up, then we need to open another CMD commands. In that command, we need to check available topics, and if any topics is not available, then we need to create a new topics and then producing the messages. After that, we will delete that topic as well. So here you can see our Kafka server is up. So I'm going to open another CMD command. Going to Kafka folders by using CD. Now here checking the available topics. So going to Windows, Kafka-topic, list, bootstrap, server, localhost 9092, enter it. You will see all available topics name here. There is no topics available, so I'm going to create one topics. So going Windows, Kafka-topic, create, topic. Here giving the topic name as a test. Now going to define bootstrap server, bootstrap server, defining the URL of the bootstrap localhost 9092, defining the partitions, how many partitions we need to add. So I'm adding one, and defining the replication factor, how many replication you want that messages. So defining the replication factor 1 as well, enter it. Now topic is created, then let's see the topic list. You will see one topic is appear. Now going to producing the messages by using win Windows Kafka console Kafka console producer hyphen topic. Here defining the topic name, defining bootstrap server, bootstrap server URL, localhost 9092 and entering it. Now we can produce that message in this topic. So I'm going to open another command and in this command we will see all the producers messages. So I'm going to Kafka folder running Windows Kafka console consumer topic and defining the topic name and defining the bootstrap server URL localhost 9092 enter it. Going to producing messages here, going to define hello. Let's see here. Yeah, there is a missing command. So we need to define that one as well. Stopping this command and defining start beginning. Enter it. I think there is a spelling mistake here. Let's check what is the spelling mistake. From beginning. We need to add from beginning here. So from beginning here defining from beginning and entering it. You will see all the producing messages. So let's stop it right now and cleaning all the screens and running again. Kafka consumer. Let's add the messages here. Hello, how are you, dear? Enter it. You will see this message will appear in the consumer side. So I'm going to stop consumer as well by using cd commands. Also going to stop produce producer as well by using cmd. Now let's see available topics. If you want to delete test topics, then you need to go Windows Kafka-topic Kafka-topics delete topic. We need to define your topic name. Which topics do you want to delete? So I'm going to delete test topic. So here given the name test. Let Now let's add the bootstrap server. So defining bootstrap server localhost 9092 enter it. Now you will see this topic will be deleted. Yeah, this topic has been deleted. Let's delete the let's run the Kafka server. Unfortunately, Kafka server is down. Let's run again. Once Kafka server is up, then let's check that topic has been deleted or not. Yeah, connection is reset high. Oh, okay. That is a zookeeper. Let's run again. It is stopped. Why? Let's. Okay, it is giving timeout. Let's run again. Kafka server start. I hope it will connect. Let's stop Zookeeper as well and trying to run Zookeeper first after stopping the Zookeeper. Once the Zookeeper is up, then we will start Kafka server as well. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, now Zookeeper is up, I think. Let's start Kafka server as well. It is going to stop. Why? Now let's check again. Kafka server is up or not. I hope it will work. Sometimes you will face this type of issue. Then in that scenario, you will stop the Zookeeper and Kafka as well and restart it. It is not running again. Let's run again. First, we need to start Zookeeper. I hope it will work. Let's see. Yeah, Zookeeper is up. Now going to start again Kafka server. Now Kafka server is up. Let's see that topic has been deleted or not. So going to check by using list commands. Yeah, you will see there is no topics available. Previous you have seen test topic is showing, but after running the delete commands, Kafka-topics delete commands, it will deleted. So by using Kafka-topics delete command, you can delete the topics and bypassing the bootstrap server as well. These commands I will provide in the description. You can follow description box. If you are facing any issue, you can comment. I will see that messages and provide that issue. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my YouTube channel, if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel for further update. Thank you.